Hi everybody, how are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have a Splendies bag for you. Don't know what Splendies is? Stick around and you're gonna find out. So Splendies is $14.99 a month, and you can choose from 3 different choices. You can get all thongs, you can get no thongs, or you can get a surprise me bag, which is what I get. And it is $14.99 a month, but if you use the code down below, you can save 50% on your first month. So $7.49 for 3 pairs of undies and panties that wash well and are really pretty and are super comfy. Last month, I believe I got 2 thongs and a pair of just regular, and they were really comfy. I mean, really comfy. Okay, so let me take them out of the bag for you. They do come wrapped in this pretty tissue paper with the little Splendies sticker, and I'm really excited to see what I got this month. I'm going on a trip, so I need some new undies. They came just in time. All right, so this is the little panty bundle here. Let's see what they sent me. Those are really cute. Those are the back, of course. These are the thongs, and they're like an orange color with some flowers on them. And as you can see, hopefully on this tag right here, $12 is what they retail for. And these are super soft. You will not be disappointed. I believe these are probably nylon. Let's see if I can find the tag that tells. Let's see, 86% polyamide and 14% spandex. They're so soft. So there's one pair of undies. And I mean, these are just in time for Halloween season. Then I got a pair of black and orange ones. They're coming off a little bit yellow, but they are orange. And they are a full coverage. So those are pretty, and they have the lace detail around the legs. And these are by Wilshire, Montana Intimates. And I don't know if you can see the tag, but they are $12 as well. So it's super pretty. And then we have a really cute pair for Halloween. And they have little kitty cats on them. Let's see if you can see those. Those are really cute. I love the lace detail, and they are a thong as well. So this is the second time that I've gotten the Surprise Me bag, and it's been 2 thongs and 1 regular full coverage, so that is nice. And I'll tell you, I am up and down with my job all the time, like in and out of my seat. So, and they just, I can't talk about how comfy these are. But these, I ordered these in extra large. I think I'm going to actually have to go down to a large because I have lost so far about 10-ish pounds. So anyways, the recap, the ones with the cats there. Then we got the full coverage, but still a little sexy with the lace detail around the bands of the legs. And then the orange floral pattern. So super cute. All right, let me know in the comments below if you want to try Splendies for yourself, or if you already try Splendies, what you think about them. And if you are a brand new subscriber, welcome to my channel. My name is Miranda, and this is Doing Life, and I'm excited that you decided to click that subscribe button. And as always, my tried and true subscribers that have stuck by me, thank you for your continued support and your friendship. It really does mean a lot to me. I do all kinds of unboxings and lifestyle vlogs, so stay stick around. There's probably something you're gonna like. Bye.